Hey, in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn your press-on nails into a spooky manicure perfect for Halloween. Let's get started. Sally Beauty offers a huge assortment of press-ons from Dashing Diva to Nail Bliss, and they always come in really cute, already curated sets. For this video, I chose 3 different ones that are pretty different just to show you and give you an idea of what you can do with your press-ons. Whether you're looking for a more wearable, everyday look for Halloween or a dramatic costume look, I'm going to show you some really cute ideas. So the first set I'm using is this pink to orange ombre, but a lot of the nails do have just an orange ombre, which I really liked. And there is a really fun accent nail that has like an orange and gold and pink marble to it. But I wanted to show you that you could use a less traditional color palette and still get a really fun festive Halloween mani. So when working with press-ons, you guys know this, make sure to size up the nails beforehand and then go ahead and apply them, and make sure you give them a good firm press down, whether you're using the glue provided or the sticker adhesive. Now that we got our nails on, let's do some nail art. I'm going to be using these black striping polishes from Finger Paints. These are so great, especially if you're a beginner and don't have a ton of tools. This is a nail art brush included with the polish, so I love these for nail art. I'm going to do a really simple jack-o'-lantern face on this manicure. I started with a basic, adorable smiley that totally looks cute just like that, but I'm using that as a guideline to create a jack-o'-lantern face. I'm going to turn those little dashes into triangles for his eyes, and then I'm just actually going to create some vertical lines through that smiling mouth for a simple jack-o'-lantern smile. Then for the rest of the manicure, I wanted to add a couple accent nails, and I did that same stitching pattern that we did for the jack-o'-lantern mouth over the tip of some of my nails, kind of like a French tip. And if you happen to mess up, you can always use an orange polish that matches your press-ons to try to cover up any mistakes that you made. Finish with a layer of top coat to seal in the extra spooky details we just added to our manicure. The next pair of press-ons I'll be using is in this French fade style, and this is a great option for a more day-to-day look. This is super minimal and incredibly easy. Let me show you. So once you have on this pair of press-on nails, you're just going to need a white nail polish and that black striping polish. First, using that white polish, you're going to create a long, white, elongated oval, and if you have a nail shape like this, just pull it towards the tip of that nail and try to smooth out the shape. And this is going to be a really simple and minimal ghost body shape. And don't worry about making all of these the same. No one will ever be able to tell. Just use the shape of the brush that comes in the polish to pull that white polish along the nail, and I did mine a little off center, but you can totally do yours down the center if that's what you prefer. Now to really give this ghosty some character, I'm going to use that black striping polish and create 2 long lines for eyes and a long oval shape for his mouth. And I just repeated this process on each of my nails. Seal in the little ghosties with a layer of top coat, and that's it. You can always do one ghosty just as an accent nail, or do all of your nails like I did here for a full ghost manicure. The last set I'm using is this edgy dark black manicure with matte accents. You have silver glitter accents, and then there's this really cool chrome 3D accent nail that is also included in this set that I think is just absolutely so fun and perfect for a Halloween manicure. Now I'm going to be using the white version of that striping polish by Finger Paints, and I'm going to make some really creepy spider webs over top of this manicure. To do this, pick one point on your nail and create rays coming out from that direction. Then connect each of those lines with a U shape, and you can make these spaced apart differently or try to make them all even, but I think the more irregular, the creepier and better it looks. Now I'm just gonna finish with a layer of matte top coat to keep that really nice matte finish that this set already had. And there you have an edgy spiderweb nail design that would be perfect for a costume. So we hope this video gave you some ideas for how to add a little spookiness to your press-ons this Halloween season.